Hello friends, today I'm going to teach you how to square numbers which are ending with 5. Yes, before we begin, I would request everyone to have a paper and pen handy. Okay, so we'll take 4 numbers 35 square, 45 square, 65 square, and 105 square. Yes, all these numbers have one thing in common. What is it? Yes, all these numbers are all ending with 5. Yes, now when a number is ending with 5, you are going to take the neighbor of 5. In 35, it is 3, and in 45, it's 4, 65, 6, 105, it's 10, right? Now we are going to multiply the next number in the number series. So after 3, what is the next number which comes in number series? It is 4, right? After 4, 5. After 6, 7. After 10, it's 11. Yes. Now, how much is 3 fours are? It is 12. And 4 fives are 20. 6 sevens are 42. 10 elevens are 110. Yes. Now, can you believe it? We have done half of the answer. Now, the next half is very simple. When a number is ending with 5, the square is always going to end with 25 because 5 fives are 25. Now all these numbers are ending with 5, so we can put 25 at the last to complete the answer. Yes? Can you believe it? How simple is it? Yes? Now we will try 4 more sums. How about 55, 75, 85 and 95 squares? Yes? So what is the next number of 5? 6. 7, it is 8. And for 8 it is 9. And for 9 it will be 10. Yes. So 5 6 are 30, 7 8s are 56, 9 8s are 72, 9 10s are 90. Yes. Now half of the answer is already over. Now coming to the second half, as I said, it is always going to what? End with 25 because all these numbers are all ending with 5. Yes. So 55 square will be 3025. 75 square will be how much? Can you guess it? Yes, it's correct. 5625. How about 85 square? Yes, 7225. And 95 square will be 9025. Yes, you got it correct. So friends, you learned something new today, right? Don't stop here. Keep practicing more. Okay? Challenge yourself with different numbers, with different difficulty levels. Okay? Until then, we see you next time. It's bye-bye. Take care.